What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. It is Monday, November 9th, and I'm going to be going over the trades I made today. Unfortunately, we're red on the day, $20 net because of commissions. We took 3 trades, one on ONCT and 2 on AHT. The ONCT trade was absolutely horrible execution. Definitely not my best.
I'm going to keep an eye on AHT, guys. I'm just going to keep an eye on
Sorry,
this
just let me mute that.
If you get an afternoon move over 525.
So what Mike's saying is that there's one that might squeeze right now, but I'll get into that. Just let me start the recap. Anyways, ONCT here. This one had 2 really big days last week. Had a big move here, and I tried to buy a dip, only 10 shares. It immediately went right below VWAP, but it didn't really sell off. You can see it kind of like consolidated below VWAP here. So I thought it was strong. I decided to hold it, and my max loss was this pivot low right here, right there, which was like at the time like $25 or something. Pretty stupid trade. So I held it this whole time when we were selling off down here, and it started to curl back up towards VWAP, and I thought that it might do a squeeze, but as soon as it broke this line that it kind of made here, broke below that, and at that point I just exited the position there for an $11 loss. Down here it was like an $18 loss, so I guess that's kind of a win. It went back down to the low of day, and now it is kind of rallying after hours here. I don't really know if I'm going to touch that. The only one I might touch after hours right now is AHT. Now, I'm not really too sure what the news was on this, but man, I wish I was kind of paying attention more throughout the day, because this thing pretty much had an all-day run. Right here in the morning, dipped below VWAP for like a little bit, and then made one nice little para, consolidated, made a bit of an ascending triangle, broke out from that right here, and had a really good volume and went into like a bit of a parabolic move here. And I didn't trade it throughout here because it just felt like chasing. You know, we didn't really have like a major pullback this whole time. It just hugged the 3-minute 9 EMA really closely. There was never like a big washout that you could buy without it feeling like you were just chasing the top every time. We eventually top out at like 535. Bought the dip right here, 10 shares, held through this, didn't sell here. I was only up like a couple dollars because I missed my chance to add down here. I was like so close to adding to another 20 shares, and then the thing just popped. I thought we were going to continue our squeeze, but we ended up fading back down. At that point I cut the loss for 140. I was trying to not take like a big loss on this and just, you know, get a small entry that really worked for me. But I ended up cutting it there, and then it popped back up right here, and I longed it again, but with 20 shares, and made a nice move into the close. Past this pivot high, I thought for sure we were going to run because it made it like above this, but then you can see it immediately got rejected back down. So I'm watching it right now. I guess I'll take another 20 shares stab at it if we can get back above this level here. It's pretty annoying how it keeps like running away from me. You know what? I might go for it, guys. Stop loss would be, let's see, if I long at 5, my stop loss is around 4. That's a pretty hefty loss if I take 20 shares. Oops, I think I messed it up. Darn. Messed up my little calculator. I accidentally clicked the wrong button. I don't want to miss this. No, I'm going to go for this, I think, guys. Live. See it right here. Man, this thing really looks like it wants to rip. let's go for it. Oh shit, I forgot you're not allowed to do market orders. Ah, oh, no, come on, pull back and fill me. Man, don't do this to me. Don't do this. Okay, fuck them. Oh my god, that was such a bad entry, guys. Oh, I fucking chased the shit out of that. Well, I chased it bad. Really bad. Really fucking bad. What's my entry at? My entry is 526, so we're gonna have a limit order here at 5. Damn it! If only I remember that you can't do market orders there, I would have gotten a 580 entry or a 480 entry instead of a freaking 526 entry. Oh man, that's bad. But let's see if this thing can't get up to $6. Come on, let's see what you can do. Ah, fuck, that was a shit entry. I don't want to have to take yet another loss on this, though. Okay. We're going to take it there, guys. There we go. Alright. Really, really, really terrible entry, but at least we got one win on it. God, that sucks. You guys saw I was about to enter right here, and I forgot that you can't do market orders after hours. Okay, well, as you can see down here, we had 2 losing trades, but we had that one $11 trade, which is nice. So I think we're still down because of commissions. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're still down $10. That's not the best. But we were down 20 at the start of this video. So. Okay, so we're down 10. And what did we sell that at? 581? Okay, that's pretty good. 526 to 581. God damn, I wish I fucking didn't mess up that entry there. Let's see if this thing can't come back down here to 540. Maybe we could get a washout long on it.
You can't trade with the same size as you would. You can't trade with the same size as you would while markets are open. The stock is so much more thin.
It's true.
It's so thin after hours. You can't be full risk. You can't be full size after hours. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but I'm still, risk wise, the risk is completely different than if the market was actually open right now.
Oh, that was it right there, guys. That 490, 488 entry. I can't believe I chased it up here.
Sell off.
I can't believe I chased it up there at freaking 526. You know, that just goes to show that I'm not executing that well today. I'll just call it here. That was a pretty brutal trade. The forehead slap, though. Yeah. I don't know. I've never actually traded after market hours before, and $6 has been my target for this thing throughout the day. If you look over here, let's get rid of all these. So there's a gap fill here that we actually stalled out at pretty good right there. You can see that's where we closed like during market hours. And then we have all of this support here from March all the way until July, right at that $6 level. So we're coming up testing that right now, and I do not want to assume that that will be an easy thing to break, especially with the low amount of volume we have after hours. It might pop over it or something, but up there it's kind of sketch, I guess. Oh well, we got one good trade on it at least. How much did we actually lose? So like down 3, 6. Wow, so whatever. Just wasn't that good of a day, I guess. Yeah, guys, I guess that's it. So we're down 10 bucks. Yeah, hopefully we have some better luck tomorrow, and I hope I don't do what I did today, which I never actually do this anymore. If you guys will watch these, you'll know I never bag hold like that. But that was a classic bag hold right here. Not cutting the loss. I should have cut it right here at like 540, but instead I let it run against me for like a couple hours, which is not ideal. So no more of that tomorrow. No bag holding, and hopefully we have some more follow through. Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot today. Like, it's a pretty difficult day for me. Anyways, guys, that's it. Adios.